Uninsured Motorist Insurance. Uninsured motor insurance coverage helps you pay for your medical expenses and repair costs when a driver who doesn't have insurance causes an auto accident, also called UM coverage. It kicks in when the other party is responsible for the damage to your vehicle or health, but they do not have insurance coverage to pay the bill. So there are two main types of uninsured motorist coverage. UMBI. This coverage pay for your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering after an accident. It also covers those costs of any of your passengers at the time of the accident. This coverage usually comes in two limits, per person and per accident. As example, limits of 2000 per person and $5,000 per accident would have been written 25 by 50. Some states allow drivers to combine limits into a single amount. Uninsured motorist property damage covered. This coverage pay for repair costs to your car and other property after someone's without insurance cause an accident. In some states, this coverage also pay for the hit and run accident damage. You may have a deductible of up to $30,000 for this coverage. How much does a uninsured motorist coverage cost? Compared to the other types of coverage, uninsured motorist insurance can be cheap. The cost of uninsured motorist coverage usually fluctuate depend on the percentage of the uninsured drivers in a state. On average, uninsured motorist coverage costs much less than the standard liability coverage. In some states, it might add it as little as 5 to $10 to your monthly premium. UIM pays medical bills for you and your passenger when driver without enough liability coverage cause an accident. So if a driver with a minimum insurance limit can't fully pay for the injuries they cause to you, UIM coverage will step in to help out. For example, if your medical bills totally $13,000 but at the faulty driver only has the $10,000 worth of the bloodly injured liability coverage, your UIM pay will the remaining $3,000. This coverage will also have the per person and per accident limit. UIM doesn't usually damage to your car. If the other driver property damage liability limit cannot cover your car's damage into a total, you can seek compensation from your own collision coverage or take other drivers to the court. In some states, UM and UIM are paid together, and others they are sold separately. Methodology. Because the consumer rely on us to provide objective and accurate information, we have created a comprehensive rating system to formulate our ranking to the best car insurance company. We collected data on dozens of auto insurance providers to grade the companies on a wide range of ranking factors. The end result was an overall rating of each provider with insurance that scored the most points topping the list. Here are the factors our rating take into account: cost. Auto insurance rate estimate generated by quadrant to information service and discount opportunities with both taken into consideration. Coverage. Companies that offer a variety of choices for insurance coverage are more likely to meet consumers' needs. Reputation and experience. Our research team considered market share, rating for industry expert, and year in the business when giving this score. Availability. Auto insurance company with the great state availability and a few eligibility requirements score high in this category.